Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by Forex, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
On Monday, Meta rose by nearly 4%, driven by investor enthusiasm over reports that the company plans to expand its AI-powered advertising tools. In regular trading on Monday, the S&P 500 gained 0.4%, the Nasdaq Composite rose 0.7%, and the Dow Jones edged up 0.1%, with energy and materials leading the market. Gold fell to around $3,360 per ounce on Tuesday, but remained close to its highest level in nearly 4 weeks, supported by strong safe haven demand. The New Zealand dollar fell to around 60 cents, trimming a 1% gain from the previous session and pulling back from its highest level since last November, as the US dollar regained some strength. Ether traded at around $2,600 due to increased trading volume. Broader market optimism, including a rise in tech stocks, contributed to a risk-on sentiment that spilled over into crypto markets. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1:45 a.m., China to release the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index for May, following 50.4 in April. At 9 a.m., the annual inflation rate in the euro area is expected to decrease, after reaching 2.2% in April. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the number of job openings of April, following 7,200,000 in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 1:30 a.m., Australia to release the gross domestic product growth rate for the first quarter, following 0.6% in the last quarter of 2024. At 1:45 p.m., the interest rate in Canada is expected to decrease, after reaching 2.75% in May. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Services Purchasing Managers Index of May, following 51.6 in April.
And that's it for today's market news roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.